I'm bringing you this curly pixie cut, giving me life, all of that. Like, do you not see this wig? Like, I don't know. I had seen some pictures on like the gram and on Pinterest, and I was just like feeling it. Like, tell me this ain't good. Tell me this ain't good. I'm loving this wig. Like, I just can't. Like, I just drank a slushie. Yo, I'm feeling myself. Like, what is up, beautiful people? Thank you for tuning back into my channel. So I know why you're here. You read the title. I am so happy because my wig finally came in the mail. It just came like legit an hour ago, so I wanted to like open it on camera. I kind of took a peek, but like bear with me, I'm just so excited about this. So I bought this wig from Eayon Hair, eaonhair.com. I was just like scrolling on YouTube, and I was also on, I want to say I was on Instagram, and I saw this post of a lady who had curly hair, but it's really short, and it was like a pixie cut. And for some reason, I just feel like that'll look bomb on me, and I just needed something like that. So I went online, I tried to find one, I looked at other videos to see, like, you know, which company might have like a decent price, they might have good hair, no shedding, none of that. And I found a couple of videos about this particular wig from this particular brand. I saw about two girls who did videos on this hair, and shoot, for $100 I was like, this better be some good hair, because ain't nobody got time, you know what we going through right now. I'm trying to save on my coins, but like I still need my wigs, I still need to look cute. Even if I'm in the house, I still need to look cute. So I got this wig. This is human hair, free part, 13x4, lace frontal wig, 8 inches, natural color. Oh my god. Okay, so this is what it looks like straight out the box. Oh, I forgot to show you. So in the box, it comes with a wig cap, like most wig companies. And it also came with adjustable band. I don't use adjustable bands. Depends on how it fits in my head, so we'll see. But yeah, let's take this off. I'm so excited, and I can't hide it. Okay. First thing you gotta look at when you got a wig is the lace. Like, okay, I can already tell that this is a brown lace. It's not transparent. Looks good so far. Stitching is pretty nice. Looks like a generic, you know, factory made wig. Nothing too special, but now it's time to customize. So I will see you in like a couple of seconds. I'm going to go customize this. Okay, so I put the wig on my mannequin head stand, whatever the shit is called, and I'm just playing with the frontal. I'm about to go bleach the knots, but I've noticed that the hair in the front, it's very loose. Like, it's very loose compared to the way the hair is. Just give me 1 second. My wig stand is broke, so you know, on a budget, compared to the curls in the back, which is pretty tight. Yeah, we're gonna see how it comes out, but so far the only thing I'm like kind of sad about is the fact that the curls in the front are very loose. Other than that, the hair is very soft, you know. So far, no complaints. Let's just hope that I have no issues later on. When you're bleaching the knots of a frontal, a lace closure, any lace, you have to make sure that the consistency and the texture of the bleach is not too runny, but it's also not too thick. Like the mistake I made with this wig in particular, it was too runny. I kind of knew that it was too runny, but I wasn't really like pressed to, you know, add more bleach or anything like that. But more times than not, it makes the wig look actually more natural. Now in this step, I'm using my neutralizing shampoo to wash the bleach off the frontal. I don't necessarily use like the purple shampoo or toner. I think the neutralizing shampoo does the job. The shampoo I use to wash the wig itself is my Aunt Jackie's curl shampoo. I also use that for my natural hair. The conditioner that I'm going to use in like a couple of seconds is the same conditioner I use in my natural hair. I just took some, wobbled it all over the wig, got the brush, brushed it out. So first things first, you're going to get your alcohol and just wipe your forehead. Make sure you remove all the oils. Oils is the reason why your lace will either not stay right, or the glue won't last long, or it'll start to push back. Let it dry, and then the next step is to cut the ear tabs. After this, I get the skin guard from the erickajaj line. Yo, I love her products. I love her products. I use the skin guard to protect my skin and to protect the lace and protect the glue from doing any damage or whatever. Now I'm putting a thin layer, and the purpose of this layer is just to hold the cap down. We are not gluing the wig. We're not thinking about gluing the wig down right now. We're just trying to make sure the cap stays. So you only put one layer and you let it dry. You will know that the glue is dry when you literally don't see anything anymore. Next, I'm just using the freeze spray to just make sure the cap by the hair behind my ears, because I don't shave off my sideburns and I don't really got time for that, so I just use that to just make sure that part is just like extra secured. After I cut off the excess lace, I'm using this contour palette that I got from Amazon. I'll link it down below, and I mixed 2 shades together just to get a shade that's my skin tone, but it's like a tad bit darker. So I put the wig on just to make sure it's in like the right position where I want it to be. The next step is to cut off the excess lace. Now, when it comes to this part, the best advice that I can give you is to just take your time. Be patient. If you have to keep parting your hair 10, 20, 30 times, then that's what you have to do. This is so hard. I'm telling you, this part is so hard. My best advice after you watching this clip is to just take your time. If only y'all knew how long it took me. Now I'm just pulling all the hair back. I don't want any flyaways because now we're going to glue the wig on. Now I'm using the skin guard one more time, letting it dry. Then you apply your first layer of glue. You just want to make sure it's on the edge of where the cap ends and like where your skin is. I hope that made sense what I just said. You want to make sure the glue's on your skin but also on the cap, but not too much on your skin and not too much on the cap. The purpose of these layers of glue is to glue the lace on. It's not to melt the lace. It's not to make sure every nook and cranny and crease is glued on. The point of these layers is to just make sure the wig is secured on your head. That's it. In total, I put about 3 layers. And 3 layers is a reasonable amount of layers. I only kept this wig on for about a week. I could have kept it on longer, but I got another wig and I really wanted to put on. When you're cutting the lace, always remember to cut in a zigzaggy motion, never cut straight. Now this is where we're focusing on making sure every nook and cranny and crease is glued onto our head. Using small amounts, we're going to make sure that the lace is glued onto our head. I used about 2 or 3 layers for this part. It was like, what, maybe 2 o'clock in the morning. I'm in my room. I'm watching Netflix. You know what's going on right now. All I'm doing is watching Netflix, playing in makeup, playing in wigs. Like, ain't nothing better to do than just play and watch Netflix at home all day. I mean, do you see that? Like, where's she going? Nowhere. I just need to quickly come back and let you all know that the erickajproducts products are literally fire, yo. Like, I don't know. I used to use the bold hold lace glue. It just never really did the job. Whenever I took my lace off, I had like a black mark. I don't know if I'm like allergic to it or I don't even know. But with these erickajproducts products, I swear to, I'm telling you right now, they just made the whole process like 10 times more easier. And it's like, yo, I could slay a wig myself. I don't gotta pay $100, $200, nothing dollars for someone else to come do it for me. This ish gonna dry and it's gonna dry nice and y'all just gonna see. Y'all just gonna see. So just continue watching. Continue watching. I'm telling you right now. Initially, I didn't plan on, you know, plucking any of the hair. I was gonna keep the hairline as it was, but off camera, I did end up plucking a little bit. I didn't do too much, but I plucked the hair a little bit, and as you see, as I do my baby hairs and as I show you guys the final product, there actually is a major difference. Yeah, the wig came pre-plucked, but sometimes you just gotta do a little bit yourself to make it like, you know, just that better. Like, yeah. The wax stick and hot coat. I don't know why I can't talk today, but the wax stick and the hot comb combo really does wonders. Like, I don't know why I never thought of this or why I never heard about this, but thank you, erickajproducts, because you see that? Like, do you see? Like, the flyaways is back. You can actually part it and like just see like a major difference. How I did. This is like my first time fully doing the bald cap method and fully installing a wig by myself from complete start to complete finish. Normally, I make my own wigs and then I customize the frontal, then I just slap it on. I use some got-to-be spray, but like I actually did like the whole process, like, you know, the alcohol, the spray, the glue, the you know, the thingy-majanga. Like, I did the whole thing, and I'm really proud of how good this wig came out. Obviously, you can kind of still see like the lace over here, but I don't care because this part is covering it, so ain't nobody seeing that. But no, like, I'm really loving this wig. Like, I'm feeling myself. Like, I started taking mad pictures. I started doing my makeup, posting on the gram, cause I mean, girl, I'm looking cute. Nah, I like can't stop, you know, fluffing the hair. The way I like to wear it, obviously, I did like the side part, and I have all this part behind my ear. Luckily, I didn't even plan this, so I have my ear pierced like a little extra on this side. And so, you know, I can like stick it to the back of my ear and show off my piercings and look like a baby. Cause this is what I am. So I want to say thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned some new tips and tricks. If you're interested in more videos like this, please like this video, subscribe to this channel, and let me know down below. I hope you have a beautiful day. You can follow me on all my social medias at Thatqueenbecc. That's on Instagram, Snapchat, TikTok, Twitter. Yeah, thank you so much for watching, and peace and blessings. Actually, I have a new wig and I'm gonna try and do this exact same method with that wig, but that wig is 34 inches. So if you're interested in seeing how I customize a 34-inch wig, stay tuned and let me know in the comments down below if that's actually something you want to see. Wow, like, this hair is bomb. I'm so happy I found this website, this wig site. Like,